A yellow crane beside a hole next to a parking lot. The crane lowers down into the hole in the pavement. Four workers in hard hats down in the hole. One of the workers, in a white work suit and white hard hat, drills on a tank in the hole. Two workmen in orange vests look down into the hole from the pavement. A tank in the hole, with yellow and black diagonal stripes on the top and a label that says, "Lift All Load Hugger." A red arch pipe coupling is raised out of the hole by a yellow crane. Two men in orange vests and hard hats direct the arch towards the ground as it is lowered by the crane. Crane and parking lot and hole and workmen, from above. Man in cap sits inside the crane and works the controls. The crane raises up a large circular-shaped section of pipe from the hole,